Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So a bit of a downward movement yesterday, fairly interesting. I would have thought we would have tried to find ourselves some support around here at 1900, and we are busy with a bar that's below that at the moment. So when I come to daily, just to get the next level in, there is one right there. And see, I'm just going to have to put in a couple, and you can see there's a lot of daily fractals here which could actually impact price at the moment. The trend is up, there's no two ways about that, and we're looking for a zone of support, and at the moment that zone of support I would expect it to be somewhere in where we are at the moment. The gap is still open. Let's just put a level on that gap, and I'll pick it up on the lower time frame. Just open. So if you look at this on the 3 hour, we are below the moving averages. We haven't had a crossover of the 150 EMA on the faster moving averages at the moment, but there's definitely something brewing here. And then there's another gap lower down, which is all the way down at 18,730. So for the moment, it does look like a leg down, but we have broken a bit of a flag here and come back into the flag, so it's not that clear. I'm not going to harp on it, but it's definitely ever so slight bullish. Oh yeah, it's clear on the hour. You can see, you draw a line along there, you can see we've broken that, and then we've come back to test. So above and below the moving averages at the moment, I don't really trust this. I don't trust it from a buying perspective, definitely. I don't trust it from a selling perspective at the moment. These zones are very close to each other. So you can see this 18,940, 18,879, 18,797, and 18,730. Strong zone of support that we're in, and it wouldn't surprise me to see long-term players starting to look for opportunities in this space, and those opportunities would be to the upside. So for me, a little bit cautious. You can see how the buyers came in going into the close of the week, and we've barreled past that with a little bit more structure coming on the 15-minute here again this morning. So for now, you are looking to be short. There's no two ways about that. And what you need to be doing though is be very, very cautious. I'm just going to move some of the structure that we've got onto levels. Okay, so you're looking for price to get back to 19,030, 19,016, 1900. This will be on the 15 minutes, so you're looking for rejection in that zone. That rejection is going to have to be very, very clear. So nice, decent, juicy pin bar, inside bar, engulfing bars, and then your first target, the downside, is 18,879. And then I suspect you're going to bounce off that, and if it rejects higher up, you have another attempt to the next level. Probably first the first level, then on a third attempt I'll try go through that to 18, let's call it 18,800. But just be wary, these levels that the one that we're at right now plus these three below us, they are all daily levels. So in other words, strong possibility that they hold up price unless there's some catalyst that's going to drive us down. There is a gap all the way down at 18,730, which could be the ultimate target, to be honest, but I'll take it with a pinch of salt at the moment because this is an upward trend and you're looking for an opportunity to buy in on the pullback. That's pretty much what we're looking for. So 15 minutes, if you are short, you are scalping, and definitely are scalps on offer, but you want to be in and you want to be out. You don't want to be holding it waiting for it to fall to the floor, because it's more than likely not going to. Probably find it come into one of these levels, some bit of noise hit the market, and then we break some structure to the upside and reverse it. So be very wary about that, but definitely is short at the moment, and you're looking to be short off that zone and pick up your profit, it's really going to be 100-point risk, 100-point gain type stuff. That's what we're going to be doing. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view for today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.